What's up friends? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my another exciting video JBJU affiliate marketing tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to make money on JBJU for free, what I do personally to promote JBJU products and what other marketers also do to promote JBJU products. I will show you step by step everything, and basically in this video I will show you the best traffic sources for promoting JBJU products and make JBJU commission. So guys, I am Rajbhadra, affiliate marketer of JBJU, ClickBank and many other high ticket programs, and making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing, by online marketing, and I am working here for last 8 years. So guys, first thing is first, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and tap the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos, all the new updates, new videos inside my YouTube channel. And you see here it's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, based on online marketing, and I try my best to upload videos on the daily basis, and I try my best to cover JBJU method, ClickBank method, Warrior Plus method, high ticket program, free traffic, everything inside my YouTube channel. You see here a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 or more like me, then check my number on recommendation or check my video description or check my pin comment. So guys, be ready to make money on JBJU for free. I think it's the best and the perfect tutorial for JBJU affiliate marketing. I will show you how I do everything to promote JBJU products and make JBJU commission. So guys, at the first you have to create your JBJU account. It's so easy and so much simple. Just sign up, free sign up here. You put your full name, your email address, your password, your confirm password, then select your country and click here and simply register and create your JBJU account to promote JBJU products. Now choose products to promote. After creating your JBJU account, sorry, after creating your JBJU account, simply visit this affiliate section and go app to product, find products, see this find products, and you will get all the products inside JBJU marketplace. You see here all the product inside JBJU marketplace. Just simply request approval and get approval to promote the products. And finally, the main part of getting traffic. In the case of online marketing, in the case of affiliate marketing, if you have traffic, then you can make sales. If you don't have traffic, then you never make any sales. So you have to work for the traffic. You will get a lot of software, on click to affiliate site, on click to unlimited traffic, build in traffic, done for you funnel for getting traffic. No, no software works for generating traffic. If you want to generate traffic, then you have to build a website, you have to make videos, you have to grow your social platforms. That I personally do and other marketers also do to promote every offer, every software, every product. And now I want to see some of my results here inside JBJU. and after that I will show you how I get sales like this. You see here, it's my today dashboard. Then if you see all of my, you see here all my earning reports. Then if you want to see my account, my public profile of JBiju, you see here I am a 10% affiliate of JBiju. Now I will show you how I make these sales, how I make JBiju commissions. And for this I'll show you three best traffic sources for promoting JBiju products, and I think it's the best traffic sources for promoting JBiju products, and no other scammy ways, no other scammy system provides you the best solution, the best traffic to promote JBiju products. Because inside JBiju, most of the you will get most of that software, most of the training, and for this you have to generate targeted traffic for promoting those products to make sales, make commissions. So guys, before this, if you first inside my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadro and tap the notification bell to be the first viewer all of my exciting videos, to get all the new updates, new videos inside my YouTube channel, and a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel for long time online marketing, for lifetime affiliate marketing. You can subscribe my YouTube channel. I assure you, you will never be disappointed, you will never be frustrated to subscribe my YouTube channel. A lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So guys, I will show you all those three traffic sources. At first, my favorite, and I personally do it for making my JBiju commission. Website review, that means blog review. You have to review the products, review the software, review the training, and it's the best way to promote JBiju products. If you see here this website manchai.com, you will get all the upcoming products of JBiju, and you can get all the info about all the products inside this manchai.com. At first I want to see some results. If you see here, this content gorilla, the latest released JBiju product, if you see here, if you see here, a lot of people, a lot of marketer, you see, make review of this product. You see here, you see here. So product review is the best way to promote JBiju products, and in the case of review, I recommend you to promote advanced product. Advanced product means today is 7th December. Okay, now you have to write a review on the upcoming release product. That means December 10, 12, December 11. Okay, so you have to choose upcoming products that will launch on JBiju, and you can make a review. And for this you will get all the info inside this, such as it's one of the JBiju product. Visit here. you see here the JV documents, and inside the JV page you will get all the info about this product. You see here all the info about this product, and you also get your affiliate link. You can affiliate request, but just simply click here and simply you can get your link. Then you see here the demo of this product, then all the info about this product, and you can simply review this product. Then you see here is the sales page preview, here is the JV documents, here is the price, funnel, product, all the info about this product you will get here, and you can easily review this product, and you can easily make the best review of any product. And you see here it's my review website. Sorry, it's my review website, and you see here all the post inside my review website. And you see here I make this review social post magic review. All the results here, you see all the results here. Now you have to write a review of this product, of any product, for promoting JBiju products. Now I want to say how to write review. You see, at the first I put my introduction of this product, then the content of this review, then the summary of this review of this product, then what is this product, then why this product is recommended. You see here how this product works, this the demo of this product, then the software, how to increase your sales, all the benefits, all the key points of this product you have to include your review. And you can make a review like this, and it's the best way, and you will get all the info inside the JV document, so there is no difficulties to make a amazing review. So guys, start blogging and make review to get JBiju sales. Now traffic source number 2, video review. If you want to make video review, then it's another best way to promote JBiju products. Now I want to search some of the products. Now I want to search this social post magic review. You see here a lot of people also make this review. You see here. So if you can make video review, then your competition is too low than website review. But in the case of video review, you will get all the info inside this JB page like this. like website review, you will get everything inside your in the JB page, and you can simply just invest 20 minutes to make a amazing review. Just invest 20 minutes. What you want to include inside your review, what's the best points, what's the benefits, how it works. Just invest 20 to 30 minutes to make an amazing review. It may be website review, it may be video review. Okay, so guys, video review is another best traffic sources for making JVZoo sales. Now run ads, and it's the paid traffic sources. Basically all the marketers use all those three, apply those three traffic sources: the website review, the video review, and run ads. In the case of run ads, if you see here, content gorilla, you see the sponsored, and you will make an simply you can run ads for getting instant traffic. If you have enough money to invest for getting traffic, then you can run Google ad, you can run Facebook ad, you can run YouTube ad for getting instant traffic. But if you want to get long time traffic, if you want to get free traffic, then you have to build a website, you have to make website review. And in the case of website review, you have to wait minimum 5 or 6 months to rank on Google to get result from your website review. And in the case of video review, you can get result more than faster than your website review. Okay, so all those three ways: the website review, the video review, and run ads, all the best three ways to promote JVZoo products. Otherwise, if you message anyone, if you comment any post, then you never make a single sale. I assure you, I guarantee you, you have to follow all those three traffic sources. Not only me, all the advanced marketer, all the expert marketer also make website review, also make video review, and run paid ads for promoting JVZoo products. And it's the best way to promote JVZoo products. Otherwise, you never make any single sales. I assure you, I guarantee you. So guys, that's it. If you can follow all any of the traffic sources for promoting JVZoo product, then you can make money. Otherwise, I am not sure you can do it or not. But I personally use website review. Yeah, here is my website review with Raju, and I make review here and make this type results using this review. So guys, you can choose website review, you can choose video review, or you can choose Facebook ad or Google ad or YouTube ad for getting instant traffic. But in the case of website review and video review, you have to wait minimum few months to grow your YouTube channel or to grow your website. So guys, that's it. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell to be the fast viewer all of my exciting videos, all of my new videos, new updates inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation, or check my video description, or check my pin comment. So guys, a lot of helpful content inside my YouTube channel. So you never be disappointed, never be frustrated to subscribe my YouTube channel. I assure you, I guarantee you. So guys, subscribe it and make big money online by affiliate marketing, by online marketing. And for making JVZoo commission, you have to follow all those three traffic sources: website review, video review, or run ads. So guys, that's it. Apply any of this method, make sales, make JVZoo commission, make JVZoo money. So guys, see you soon. God bless you, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra. See you soon. Bye.